Zacks Trade Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our honest review of Zacks Trade, a brokerage platform designed for experienced investors and active traders seeking access to advanced trading tools and international markets. Zacks Trade stands out with its competitive pricing, offering low-cost stock and ETF trades at just 1 cent per share with a $1 minimum per trade. It also provides access to over 91 global exchanges in 19 countries, making it an excellent option for those who prioritize international diversification. One of the platform's standout features is its robust research offerings, including free access to over 20 research reports, which are a goldmine for in-depth market analysis. With a margin rate starting at 5.08%, Zacks Trade appeals to those utilizing leverage in their strategies. However, this platform is not beginner-friendly. Its interface is designed for those comfortable navigating advanced trading tools like the Trader Workstation (TWS) platform, which offers customizable charts, detailed order types, and real-time analytics. Additionally, Zacks Trade has a high minimum account balance requirement of $2,500, making it more suitable for serious traders rather than casual investors. A notable drawback is the lack of commission-free trading on U.S. stocks and ETFs, which has become a standard feature in many competing platforms. While Zacks Trade compensates with its unparalleled access to international markets, users should weigh whether this aligns with their investment goals. Customer support is another strong point, with live chat, phone, and email support available, plus a team of licensed professionals to assist with trades. On the downside, the mobile app is relatively basic compared to the desktop platform, which could be a limitation for those who prefer trading on the go. Another consideration is that Zacks Trade's account setup process can be more tedious than other brokers, involving additional steps to verify your identity and funding. In summary, Zacks Trade is an excellent choice for advanced traders and international investors who need robust research tools and global market access. But if you're new to investing or prefer a user-friendly interface with commission-free options, you may want to consider alternatives like Robinhood or Webull. With its sophisticated features and competitive rates, Zacks Trade is ideal for those ready to commit to a serious trading strategy. Make sure to evaluate your trading experience, goals, and needs before jumping in. If this sounds like a match, Zacks Trade could be the right platform for you.